Hello and welcome to your online course from Westminster Choir College of Rider University. This short tutorial will give you a general overview of how to access Canvas and how to participate in your online course. To begin, open your web browser. Go to the top at the address bar and type rider.instructure.com and press enter. This will bring you to the login page for Canvas for Rider University. At this point, enter your EasyPass username and password, or use the username and password that you set up when you joined Canvas. From here, click Log In. This brings you to the Canvas home page. On the home page, you'll find your courses. If you hover your mouse, it will show you a list of courses that you're enrolled in. It will show you assignments, grades, course calendars, and then in the top right-hand corner we have our settings toolbar that shows your inbox for messages, your settings, a log out option, and a help option. Let's start by going to our settings and looking what we can adjust through our settings. The settings homepage lists your name as it will appear, also lists your email address, date of birth. Over on the right, if you click Edit Settings, you can insert your birth date. You can change your default email, language, and time zone. When you're finished updating those, click Update Settings. Below, we have web services that you can link to Canvas. Currently on this account, Google Docs is linked. Other services that are not currently linked are Skype, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Delicious, and Digo. You can click on any of these options to link Canvas with your account for these different web services. Also found under Settings are our notification preferences. If we scroll back up and look to the left-hand menu, we can click on our notification preferences. We can set our notification preferences to notify us when grades have been posted or assignments have been adjusted. You have great flexibility to determine what means you receive notifications in and how often you receive them. If you hover, you'll see we have a Notify Me Right Away option, a Send Daily Summary option, a Send Weekly Summary option, or a Do Not Send Me Anything option. You can adjust which email account your notifications go to, and you can also add a cell phone number so you can receive notifications as text messages. Let's take a look at how to access our course content. If you scroll back up to the top main menu, go over to Courses and hover your mouse, you'll see a list of courses that you are enrolled in. If you click on the course that you're looking for, it will open the home page for that course. The homepage for courses can vary depending on how your professor has set up the course. One of the most common homepages is the module homepage, which is what we're looking at right now. Modules are basically a way to organize the course content and allow you to work through course content sequentially. So you'll notice we have a Getting Started module that includes welcome materials and the course syllabus. Underneath that, we have a Lessons module that has all of the course content broken down by week. Again, the course homepage will look different for every Canvas course you take, depending on how the professor has designed the course. Let's take a look at a content page for an example of how this course is set up. We'll go to the Lessons module and click on Week 1, which will take us to the content page for Week 1. In Week 1, we have instructions and general information at the top of the page. As we scroll down, this professor has the course organized into things to watch, things to read, and things to do. Linked into these instructions are pages for assignment submissions and instructions on how to actually make those submissions. At the bottom of the page, there are navigation tabs to navigate through the different pages of the course sequentially. The last thing we'll look at in this tutorial is the left-hand navigation menu. If we scroll back up to the top of the page and look to the left-hand side, we have a menu that gives us a number of options for different places within the course. This menu changes depending on what the professor has decided to include in the course, but some of the most important tabs on this menu would be the announcements, the assignments, the grades, and the syllabus. Your professor should give you a good idea of the most important things for you to pay attention to, but the left-hand navigation menu is an important part of succeeding in a Canvas course. If you run into any issues with the technology while you're taking your online course, you can check with the Rider OIT Help Desk, you can check in with your professor or your TA. Another option would be the Help option in the top right hand of your screen. If you click on the Help option, a menu will pop up, and if you go to Search the Canvas Guides, you'll see at the bottom a video tutorials section. If you click the Canvas video guide, you will have access to tutorial videos and troubleshooting videos on how to solve a number of technology problems and issues you may run into while using Canvas. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial. This was just a brief overview of the many options Canvas gives you as a learning management system. If you have any questions, you can contact Rider OIT, you can search the Canvas user guides, you can contact your professor, or you can contact your technology assistant. The best way to familiarize yourself with Canvas and with the course is to get into the course and experiment. There are very few things that can be broken and very few things that can't be undone. Thank you for your time, and good luck.